Hey everyone, so before this video gets started, if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver or a gig worker and you want to get guaranteed pay every single time you go out and drive, there's this new app called Solo, and when you use the link below to sign up, they're actually just going to give you $10 simply for trying out the app, totally for free, anywhere in the country. It's free to sign up, and you can get access to mileage tracking, expense tracking, help with your taxes. This awesome app Solo, you can download it right now, get 10 bucks, and again, get access to guaranteed pay. Let's get started with the video. Okay, we are moving on. Uber just got hit with another cybersecurity hack. This is huge breaking news. Check this out. I'm gonna read this one.
They need better cybersecurity.
Literally. Literally.
You have to pay.
I'll pull up another article, but start reading it.
Okay, so Uber employee emails, other data reported to be leaked in hack. Vendor Techtivity said it doesn't collect sensitive information. So Uber Technologies said it's investigating the hack of a third-party vendor that reportedly resulted in the leak.
Yeah.
Of the data.
So a new data breach of Uber employee email addresses, internal documents, and information relating to its IT estate may have originated via a third-party incident at asset management company Techtivity. A user with the handle Uber Leaks began to share the data dump on an underground hacking forum on Saturday, December 10th, affecting 80,000 employees. Guys, comment down below, because I want to hear from you guys. How many of you guys have had your data leaked? Because somebody hacked into my Uber driver and Uber passenger account, and they could see all my info. They changed my email address, and my phone number on my account, and I'm just like, well, thanks Uber. And I called Uber about it, and they're like, whatever. Like, it was like a normal day. Like, they didn't even care.
Does Uber have two-step verification if you try to sign in?
Yeah, they do.
Oh.
And somehow the guy bypassed it.
Yeah, if you do like a SIM swap, then you can get like the verification code text message or whatever.
I don't know how the heck they did it, but basically they bypassed the two-step verification. So I could still sign in, and then it triggered the two-step verification for me, but then it sent the email, or it sent the thing. Yeah, so it sent the two-step to my phone number, but then when I tried to change my email, I forget what it was, but basically it ended up sending them the two-step thing to their email because they had changed the email. It was so random, but then, yeah, I don't know.
Do you think it was targeted or random?
No, I think it's so random. I think they're doing it to everyone. Like, I've heard so many stories of drivers and YouTubers too, who they're, because the YouTubers are actually talking about it. But like, think about how many people just, they don't have a YouTube channel, but like, it's happening to them too. So, anyways, guys, make sure you do. You just try your best. But at the end of the day, even if you do, you're probably using Uber, probably going to, your personal email, your address, your payment, your banking info is probably going to get leaked if you're using Uber. I'm just literally warning you guys based off of all of these hacks that have been going on and based off my personal experience.